So these fields, which we tried to calibrate, we can depict them with a generality. Don't forget, these calibrations are sort of general. In other words, I can't say that it's 200 or 201.2. Why? Because it's really a whole new field for investigation. One could spend a lifetime in a PhD dissertation exploring just a few points above and below 200 and how that manifests in society. What does a jump in 2 points from 202 to 204, how does that manifest in one's annual earnings? How does it manifest in job title? Even 2 points from 202 will take you from the back desk to the front desk, right? From 200 will take you from the front desk. The 202 will take you to the manager's office, and another 2 points will take you up to be assistant manager. Probably another 2 points, your manager. You know what I mean? So we're dealing in broad numbers, but I'm sure even slight variations have quite a profound effect as they express themselves in human life and society. So each one of them is really a field for detailed research. What we've really done is sketch out the broad outlines, but we haven't mapped out every crook and cranny in the coastline.
How far is up the scale is it possible to go in one lifetime?
I never asked that. From the depths of hell to the presence of God within a day is a subjective experience. So that would be practically the whole scale. It's possible to jump enormously. See, because you don't know what kind of karmic loading is behind such a move. You understand what I'm saying? You don't know what the possibilities are. You don't know what the possibilities are. I think by choice, yes, I think I see what the answer is. You know, actually, what I actually myself did and what Ramana Maharshi recommends, okay? Taking the third step at great depths will take you all the way from the bottom to the top. Resist. Okay. What I did was what's called in AA the third step. The willingness to completely surrender one's life completely and totally to God with no considerations, no withholdings, no matter what. Ramana Maharshi, recommends to look within and ask, who am I? To me, that's not exactly correct. It's not who am I, what am I? Who, you're looking for a personage again. It's like you're looking for a bigger, better ego. So I don't agree with that teaching as it is verbalized. What am I? Because the what is impersonal, the who you're looking like for a higher person. When Ramana Maharshi, suddenly dropped over at age 15 or 16, whatever it was, he was just an ordinary religious person, Hindu, and thought he had died. And obviously in that moment completely surrendered and saw himself as dying and dead. And then came out of that experience at 700, and he never left the mountain.